We really oucha. Oucha. Really what?
Caught a crankbait.
Oucha. Yeah, yeah. I got zoom right now. Nah, what I mean. Oh, bamuksa.
First one.
Ooh. Let's go tube in the tube. Oh no.
Bro, what is this? Oh, what the fuck is this? Oh, what the fuck? No way, get... Oh, shit. He got away. He jumped up.
Oh. That's what I'm talking about. Damn. This shit's nothing. Pamuksa.
Oh, yeah. Hell yeah. It's cause it's an ultra light pole.
Here we go again, baby.
Damn, I'm bleeding a lot. Oh, I just got another bite. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Let's go. All right, let's just start fishing the boats, baby. Fucking hard, baby. Shoot, throwing a slow reaper jig. Nah, what I mean now.
Three.
I'm fucking snagsation. Man, that broke off. Yeah, doo-doo. Watch this bam hook set. Alright, check this shit out, homie. Alright, homie. Look at this shit, homie. Yep. I don't know, but me, I like to crank. I love cranking. I love that shit, dog.
Throw your crankbait. Yeah.
I hope I didn't snag it.
Easy peasy lemons. Squeezy. Oh, baby. Yeah.
Ooh, got somebody boat.
Oh, hey there. Oh shit. Oh god damn. Oh my goodness.
That's a nice one, dude.
It is.
Nice spotted big guys right there.
Yeah, I think I.
Fatty. Got it, good. You're good.